again. Oh snap. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm just doing stuff. And the best part is, I don't know if anyone's really watching my videos, so I don't feel like anyone's really watching these, so it's like, I could do whatever. You know? Anyway, this time, look what I got. My wax. Yes. Yes, this is what I got. And I'm gonna just like BRB so that I can take some pictures, and then I'll be back. This is gonna be the wax video. I'm just gonna show what comes in the box. This is literally what comes in the package. This is the package all itself. The top of the wax warmer is the first thing you really see. Then here's the wax warmer itself. That's what it looks like. I always look to make sure that it's off before I plug it in. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then it comes with a little bowl to put the wax in. And then there's this comes separate, and you just have to place it on, and that's pretty much it. That kind of like protects the outside from getting dirty with the wax, because you know things gets real warm and hot and it melts. There's wax already in it, and I'm gonna show what else comes with this while I plug it in to get it hot. I don't know if you're watching this and you watched my first Amazon unboxing video. That is where this item came from. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. So here's the outer part that I was talking about that like comes separate. Comes in it, but it's, you know, you just gotta put it on. It doesn't like already come on. It comes with, in the box, you also have these hard wax hard wax beans. It says no strip required, so you could just like put it on and then just rip off the hair. This is one that I've already opened. I only used like this much for the first half, and look, I just left the rest in there, and I'm about to reuse it again. So I think this could last maybe 6 months. I don't know, I think it's a good investment. And there's also some like hard wax beans, well, some more hard wax beans, but these are like hockey pucks. I don't know if you can see it compared to this one that are like literally beans. These, they on the online, I noticed that this is called like an aloe vera bean. And then this is like this is what they really call like the hard wax. I don't know. And then it also has these little sticks for application. Some tiny ones, like if you're doing your eyebrows. I have not done my eyebrows yet. That's gonna be an interesting one. I'm just not ready to mess with my face yet. And some coming after wax oil, some gloves, then some pre-oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I didn't use it last time. It's still freaking closed. Like, what am I doing? I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Still not ready yet. I'm gonna go on either TikTok or Snapchat while I wait for that to warm up and completely melt, and then I'll be back to show you how I get these hairs off. Alright. So you can see right here, my wax is pretty melted. And I'm just gonna spray my leg again because I feel like whatever we did before has worn off. I'm just gonna, that's hot. I'm just gonna, Wow. This one's a bit hotter. Wow. Okay. That's smart. Ooh. So all in all, I think it works pretty good. Yeah, so then once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and use the after wax oil, but I'm not gonna use it right now just because I want to go ahead and get this done off camera. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't really talk in it too much, I think. Unless I did talk a lot and I just didn't notice. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Hopefully you subscribed and you continue watching me. If not, then that's cool too. You know, everyone likes their own thing. Psh, that's fine. But thanks for watching. Bye.